Are you looking for the best pool heaters? In this video, we're going to look at 5 of the best pool heaters available on the market right now. Whether you're searching for energy efficiency, quick heating, or eco-friendly options, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, we've included Amazon links in the description below, so make sure to check those out to see which pool heater fits your needs and budget. Number 1. Hayward Universal H-Series 150,000 BTU Natural Gas Heater. The Hayward Universal H-Series 150,000 BTU Natural Gas Heater is a powerful and efficient pool heater designed for long-term reliability and comfort. Here are the key highlights. Premium heating performance. With 150,000 BTU, this heater ensures quick and efficient heating for pools or spas, maintaining your desired water temperature. Durable heat exchanger. The Cupro-nickel heat exchanger offers excellent protection against corrosion, which is especially important for pools with varying water chemistry, ensuring a longer lifespan for the heater. Energy efficiency. Its hydraulic design optimizes water flow, which reduces the circulation pump's runtime, resulting in energy savings. This makes it an economical choice for regular use. Easy operation and maintenance. The front panel gives quick access to controls and internal components, simplifying both usage and maintenance tasks. Environmental compliance. With low NOx emissions, this heater complies with air quality standards in regions with strict environmental regulations, making it eco-friendly. If you are considering this heater, it seems to balance high performance, energy efficiency, and durability well, especially for those with pools that have fluctuating water conditions. Would you like more detailed information or advice on installation? Number 2. Polypropylene Heat Collector or Solar Pool Heater. A polypropylene heat collector or solar pool heater is a great eco-friendly way to keep your pool warm using solar energy. Here's a breakdown of the details. Direct flow system. The solar heater uses a direct flow system where each heating tube has its own dedicated header hole, ensuring efficient water flow and optimal heating. Solar heating area. With 80 square feet of solar panels, this system captures sunlight and converts it into heat to warm your pool water. Application. It's ideal for in-ground pools, helping maintain a comfortable swimming temperature without relying on gas or electric heaters. Dimensions. The panel array measures 4 feet wide and 20 feet long, providing sufficient surface area to increase pool temperatures by 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. This rise in temperature can extend your swimming season and increase comfort. Installation. The installation kit is required but sold separately. It includes the necessary hardware to mount the panels and connect them to your pool's water circulation system. Solar heating is a great cost-effective and environmentally friendly option for pool owners. Would you like more information on compatibility with your pool or help with choosing an installation kit? Number 3. Fibropool FH270 Electric Heat Pump. The Fibropool FH270 electric heat pump is a cost-effective and eco-friendly way to keep your pool warm. Here's a summary of its features. Clean and green energy. This heat pump uses electricity to move heat from the air into the water, making it much more environmentally friendly compared to traditional gas or propane heaters. It's efficient, low maintenance, and helps reduce operational costs. Pool compatibility. It's suitable for in-ground pools up to 15,000 gallons and above-ground pools that are up to 27 feet round or 18 by 33 feet oval. However, for best performance, this heat pump is recommended for humid climates with temperatures down to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry or cooler climates may be better suited for gas heaters. High efficiency. The heat pump features high-pressure differential compressors and titanium heat exchangers, ensuring top-notch energy efficiency. This allows you to maintain a warm pool temperature without spiking your electricity bill, making it ideal for late-season swimming. Rugged design. Its enamel-coated steel chassis ensures durability and the ability to withstand outdoor elements over multiple seasons. Its slim profile, 13 inches by 38 inches by 27 inches, allows for flexible installation options, and it easily connects with standard 1.5-inch compression fittings on a 240V circuit. Easy to use, the digital control panel has a user-friendly display for adjusting and monitoring the temperature. There's also an optional extension cable so you can place the control panel wherever is most convenient for you. Overall, the Fibropool FH270 is a great option for pool owners looking for energy-efficient heating with minimal environmental impact. Would you like more details on how it compares to other heat pumps or help with installation considerations? Number 4. XtremepowerUS 53,000 BTU. This description outlines the features of a high-performance pool or spa heat pump, highlighting its efficiency, ease of use, and durability. Here are the key points. Efficient heating. The heat pump provides precise temperature control, allowing you to extend your swimming season and enjoy comfortable water temperatures year-round. It offers luxurious comfort with minimal energy usage. Digital control panel. The LED control panel is intuitive and easy to read, giving you full control over your pool or spa's temperature settings. It features digital temperature readout for accuracy, diagnostics to help with troubleshooting, electronic lockout to prevent accidental changes to the set temperature. This can save both time and money by maintaining the desired temperature without unnecessary adjustments. Quiet operation. The profiled fan blade ensures efficient airflow and keeps the heat pump running quietly, making it suitable for residential environments where noise might be a concern. Easy installation. With a front plumbing configuration, this heat pump is designed for simple installation. The inlet and outlet plumbing connections are positioned for easy drop-in replacement, saving time and reducing installation hassle. Durability. The heat pump features UV-resistant body panels made from durable, injection-molded materials. This makes the exterior resistant to rust and deterioration, ensuring it can withstand outdoor elements and harsh pool environments over time. This type of heat pump is perfect for those looking for energy-efficient heating with minimal maintenance, designed for ease of installation and operation. It's also built to last with a durable exterior. Would you like assistance with selecting a compatible unit for your pool or spa, or details on pricing and delivery setup? Number 5. Dr. Heater 110,000 BTU Inverter Swimming Pool Heat Pump. The Dr. Heater 110,000 BTU Inverter Swimming Pool Heat Pump is an advanced, energy-efficient solution designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Here's an overview of its standout features. Suitable for large pools, this heat pump is recommended for pools up to 32,000 gallons, whether they are in-ground or above ground. It provides 110,000 BTU of heat, making it capable of maintaining comfortable temperatures in larger pool volumes. Energy-efficient operation. With an efficiency rating of 540%, this heat pump uses 5.9 kilowatts to generate 110,000 BTU, or 32,237 watts, of heat. It operates on an input voltage of 208 to 230 VAC with a current draw between 2.65–25.6 A. This makes it a power-efficient and environmentally friendly option for pool heating. Cutting-edge technology. The heat pump features a full DC inverter fan motor and compressor, allowing it to adjust its heating capacity between 20% to 100%. This ensures optimal efficiency based on the heating demands of the pool. The twin rotary compressor minimizes vibration and noise by balancing the movement of its parts, offering quieter and more efficient operation. Durability. Certified by CSA and AHRI, the unit is built for longevity and reliable performance, making it a durable choice for long-term pool heating. Wireless control. With built-in Wi-Fi, the heat pump can be controlled via a mobile app from anywhere. You can easily adjust the temperature, schedule operation, and turn the unit on or off remotely. The soft start function improves system longevity by ensuring a smooth startup process. Customer support. The product is backed by USA-based customer support, ensuring that any concerns or questions can be quickly addressed. This Dr. Heater full inverter heat pump combines powerful heating capacity, energy efficiency, advanced technology, and convenient controls, making it an excellent choice for maintaining comfortable water temperatures in larger pools. Would you like further information on pricing, installation, or technical details?